God is fair. God does not want to destroy people. He is compassionate.
Jumalal on kaastunne, ta ei taha inimesi hävitada tegelikult.
But he has to destroy people because of the activity of mankind.
Aga
Sin.
ta hävitab maa tänu selle inimeste patule.
That mankind has defiled the earth.
Kuna inimesed on selle maa ära lihtsalt rõvestanud.